Craig, I remember in your press conference last week you said that you've had to adapt to not being on the grass every day, but it's fair to say you've been back in your element this week. How brilliant has it been to be working with your players for the first time?
Yeah, no, it's been great. It's been a lot because obviously the intensity we really need to work at this present moment with information, but moments on the pitch, we have to use our time as well as we can. But it's been really enjoyable.
I've lost count of how many times I've heard the word meetings this week from your players. How pleased are you with how they've taken all the information on board? Because it's fair to say they've been given a lot of things that they've got to think about, haven't they?
Yeah, I do try not to make excuses for that or apologies for it. They're fine, they're intelligent, they're good footballers, otherwise they wouldn't be playing for Wales. But I do understand you've got to let the information be able to sink in before you go on again. But I understood, and by speaking to a lot of people who've been involved with them, how good a group they were. And I have to be honest, they've been exactly that. They're just so dedicated for Wales to do well, and also to each other as a group of people. So for us as coaching staff, I've got to be honest, they've been so easy to work with. And also the examples of what we've been able to show what we would like. It's not always possible, but the next day they've been able to, after what we showed them one day and able to go on to the next, they've really been able to take that on, and that's it's definitely impressed me. But also then I do come back and say, well, they are good players. So they've been outstanding.
What's pleased you the most during these last few days?
Pleased me the most? A lot of really what I just related to then was the amount of information they've been able to soak up, but also they want more.
Okay.
They want more. They're not. They're willing to ask questions as well. So that's been nice. That's been nice because, I'm not reinventing anything here. A lot of good work's been done with this group of players already. A little bit of what I see habits that I believe will allow us to be able to hopefully play how we would like to play. But their level of wanting to make themselves and the group better, that's been really encouraging.
What's been an area over the past few days that you've seen and you've kind of thought, okay, that's going to need a bit of work, or that's going to need a little bit of patience over this opening period?
Everything.
Okay, that's a good answer.
Yeah, no, because it is. It's not like people like. You'll be able to see what you see. You'll see that, on Friday. Of course you will. But I expect every scenario. So I expect bits to go really well, bits to not go well. And I'm prepared for every scenario, honestly. I am not writing off any of these games, because when you're involved with your national team, every game is the most important. It could be your last. So, but I'm aware of where we are and where I would like us to go. So I'm that has to stay clear with me as well. But no, I've just referred to him numerous times, like beyond pleased with this group. They're a credit to be around, and do you know what? They're a credit to be representing this country as well. We're quite lucky to have them.
Turkey tomorrow night, Craig. Hell of an opening game.
Nice.
I have to say.
Yeah.
How do you get that balance right between obviously wanting to go out and get a result, but also managing expectations, considering obviously it's very, very early days?
Yeah. No, expectations, let it go. Let it, it's good. Don't worry. I've been the other side of it when there was no expectations. And that's a real privilege. And also, you should really embrace that. Never shy away from it. Never let it get you tense. It's cherish those moments. So yeah, a really good outfit, a really strong team, but also that's good as well. It's going to allow us to really go, like we have to go to a certain level to be able to compete with Turkey, but then competing's not enough. I would like us to be able to really impose our game on them. They're like everyone else, they're a good team, they have a lot of weaknesses, like a lot of teams, and we've been really trying to concentrate on the both as well this week.
What would you like to see from your players tomorrow night?
Enjoyment. Enjoy it. You know, you play for your national team. Smile. Just enjoy it. It's like, trust me, you'll get older like I am. It won't be there anymore. And I always said, and I say it all the time, I wish I enjoyed my career more. These moments, you have to cherish it. And the players, no matter what anxiety you find, you've qualified for major tournaments, you just missed out on the last one. You're a good group of footballers, and this is our next story. This is our next chapter.
We all remember in your very first press conference when you said you'd already watched Turkey 8 times. Are you going to watch them once more tonight, Craig? Or is the work done?
No, I was late last night again, then a little bit this morning. No, you just constantly, but no, it's just being able to put that information onto the players so they can be clear as well. I've been working with a brilliant coaching staff this week as well, which has been amazing. The staff that have already been here from previous camps, but 1 or 2 other people who've come in. It's a real privilege to be in a position I'm in, but the people around you, have made it so enjoyable, and I'm really grateful for that.
We're sat in the Canton stand here, Craig. It's fair to say this place is going to be bouncing tomorrow night, Friday night, under the lights. Your first game in charge. What would your message be to the fans?
Just enjoy it. Do what you usually do. You know, it's there will be moments in the game that'll be good. There'll be some moments that might not be as good. But enjoy. Give the support that you usually do when the players need you at certain periods. Make sure you're there for them like always. And that would be the key message for me is enjoy it, because this is going to be a good journey. I'm convinced of that.
You'll be stood just down there in the dugout. Have you thought much about how you're going to feel?
No, yeah and no. Of course, look, you're part of a select few, you know, to be a national team manager. It's going to be, I'm fully aware the emotion will be there, of course. I'm going to allow that as well. But once kickoff happens, you know, you guys don't pay me to be emotional. You pay me for hopefully being able to give instructions and sensible instructions out into the football pitch. So hopefully that will be the case then.
Well, Craig, diolch yn fawr and best of luck tomorrow.